Heater is now being switched on to the left position, which is the low 6.5 kilowatt setting. It will go to switch on and then run up to temperature and then slow down on speed to deliver 6.5 kilowatts. Heater is now on, ammeter is drawing load. The blue indicator light shows the glow plug operating. You'll hear a click and the fan will come in, and then the fuel pump will start pumping. It takes about 40 seconds. Fuel pump has started. You can see the fuel moving. The heater has now started up. You can see the amps 18.1, 18.2, and that will drop as soon as the glow plug goes off. It's established its flame. Temperature of the outlet is climbing. Outlet temperature based on reflection, 240 odd degrees. It goes up to a top temperature of about 320. The heater glow plug has gone off, the amps have dropped, it's now on the fan, and the fan will now reduce on speed. Fan cut back down to its low speed setting. The amps have dropped. On switch off, the unit will go to a slow cool down position, but I'll first switch across to high temperature 12.5 kilowatt. Immediate switch right the way through the off position. Off, straight back on. Fuel pump is increasing on speed. The heater speed will increase slowly. And the unit now climbs in temperature on the output. $292. 293, 296. I'll switch off. You can hear the unit run down. Fuel pump has stopped. The unit will now run down and then switch off. It takes about 3 minutes for the unit to cool down, running at slower speed, and then the unit will immediately switch off.